In this video, I'll show you how to send money internationally with Revolut. To do this, you're going to open up the Revolut app and click on Payments in the bottom. From there, click plus in the top right and select International. Now Revolut has a bunch of countries you can send to. You can see all of these are available, so pretty much any country that you will most likely want to send to will be on here. Now for this example, I'll go with the Philippines. Now from there you will see something like this. Now first you can choose the balance that you are sending from, so that you are paying with. But for example in this case I'll do 100 Philippine pesos. And then now if you click on the balance you are sending from, so where for me it says personal and then 10 euros. You can then select a different currency or account as well, for example US dollars, Swedish krona, etc. And you can choose the currency that it will be sent in. So I could also send it in euro, but I'll just do the Philippine peso. So then click done. Now you can select the transfer method. So for the Philippines they have bank account and card. Sometimes you may also have mobile money or even cash pickup. Just select whichever method you want to use. And from there click continue. Then you will need to add your recipient's details. So for the Philippines you can send to individuals and businesses. I think that's the same for all countries. But from there first add their first and middle name and then their last name. The email is optional. Then once you click add recipient, you also need to add some other details depending on the sending method, such as their bank account details or card details. Just enter any details they ask for, and from there go and pay for it using your balance, and then the money will be on its way to your recipient in the country that you selected. So that's how to send money internationally with Revolut. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.